one, Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get rest to go outside.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. So today's gonna be a fun one. Today I am going to be finding an outfit to wear to a music festival. Festival season's finally upon us, and it's gonna be my first music festival, and I've been going to go to one forever, so I'm so excited. I'm going to Dreamville. I'm gonna see J. Cole, 21 Savage, SZA, bunch of other people. It's gonna be so fun. So yeah, this video is gonna be a bunch of festival outfit ideas because I'm gonna be trying on a bunch of outfits that I picked out and then ultimately choosing which one I want to wear to the festival. The festival is next Saturday, or the Saturday coming, and today is Sunday. The forecast keeps changing. It's gonna be 77 and sometimes it says it's gonna rain, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to want to wear pants so that my legs are wet and cold because I hate being cold. It's my biggest pet peeve. Or if I do wear shorts, I'm gonna wanna bring a pair of pants to change into to be safe. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and try on a bunch of fun festival outfits and then see how we're feeling, see what we wanna wear. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on the gram. Now let's get into it. All right, this is outfit number 1. Honestly, I really like this outfit. Like I said, if I wear shorts, I'm gonna bring a change of pants, so keep that in mind. But we just have these regular, hold on, one of my wigs is on the floor here, and so I'm a little distracted, sorry.
Yikes. Welcome to my beauty room, I guess.
So we just have these regular shorts. I broke the button on these, so I'm gonna have to like have safety pins in it. I'm a hot mess, but whatever, I broke the button. We have these acid wash rolled denim shorts. We have one of those lace like lingerie like bodysuits, and then I have a cardigan because it's going to be warm, but like, you know, I feel like I still need a cardigan. I need a little bit of something on my arms at all times. I'm just that kind of girl. So this I really like with the slouchy cardigan and like the cute lacy bodysuit. It's like really boho vibes. And I really like how the acid wash of the shorts go with the whole thing. This outfit, yeah, this one I really like. I'm gonna try to see if there's a pair of pants I would be able to pair these two with in case of like rain and I want to change into pants so that my legs aren't wet. I hate having cold, wet legs. I hate it. I hate wearing shorts in the rain. Hate it. Hate it so much. Okay, so now we have the same top, same cardigan, but just with these super cute camo print pants from Shein. Y'all saw this in my Shein haul. I love these. Oh my god, we stan. I think this actually looks really good together. If it's a little bit colder, like it's a little breezier, or like I said, if I have to change into pants because it's raining, I think that this would definitely be my go-to if I decide to go with this outfit. This is super cute. Like even if I'm not changing into pants, I could wear this together. Like this is really so cute. Okay, let's move on to the next thing we got going on. Okay, let me tell you why 100% I would wear this outfit. The juxtaposition between like how loose and like chill the pants are, and then like how different the top is, but like the bralette underneath, like this is giving me so much life right now, and I don't know why, but I really like it. Like honestly, I really love this right now. And if I like bring the sleeves down a little bit, you can see some of the bralette more. This is like so cute, such a vibe. Like this is chill, something on my arm still kinda. My pants are covered, but if it's a warmer day, I won't be hot. I am really liking this right now, but honestly I don't think I like it as much as the bodysuit, so I don't know, but this is still like so cute. Look, if I don't wear this there, I have to wear this somewhere because this is so cute. I don't even know what made me think to put these two together because I usually don't, but oh my god. Okay, what I was trying to say before I literally tripped myself and almost died is I really like mess with this. Even if I don't wear it to the music festival, I'm going to wear this outfit somewhere. I don't care if it's to Target because it's like, just look at me. Oh my god. god, this is so cute. Even if I like pull the sleeves up, let it slouch a little bit. Okay, so initially upon trying this outfit on, I just had these pants on from the last outfit, and I put the top on and I was like, what pants am I gonna wear with this though? And I actually really like the black pants with it. I feel like the camel pants would be too much. I'm not gonna wear like jeans or leggings. I feel like that's too basic. And like I said, I'm trying to stay away from shorts in case it rains. These pants are perfect because if it is super warm and no rain, I won't be too hot in these, but if it rains, my legs won't be wet and cold. I hate having wet, cold legs. So I really like this outfit. And this shirt I have had since I was like working retail, like right after I graduated high school. And this bralette I've had forever too. The shirt is from Papaya. The bralette is from, I want to say Charlotte Russe. And I don't know what, like, I don't know why I never ever put these together. Originally these two, like this is the bralette I just had on under the other thing, and I was gonna put on a basic black bandeau under this, but I like this so much more. Like this wasn't even a planned outfit, and now I'm obsessed with it. I'm making this so hard on myself. Okay friends, so I went to go find another festival inspired outfit, and then I was like, no, I'm not doing this to myself. I'm not gonna make this any harder on myself than it already is. I'm going to pick an outfit between the few outfits that I have tried on and showed you guys already, and that is already so hard. I don't know what I would do if I had to pick between another outfit. I assumed that by the end of this video I would know what I want to wear, and now I'm even more confused than before I had no options. So yeah, give me a big thumbs up for not having a good time. No, all jokes aside, this was really fun to film, and it was really fun looking for outfits, and I feel super inspired. I'm going to be posting the outfits on Instagram and asking you guys what you think and what outfits you think I should wear. So go ahead and head on over to my Instagram, and that'll be fun. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, like, I'm not even joking, I'm not just saying this so that you can comment. Please let me know down below what outfit you think I should wear, because I'm losing my mind. I don't know which one I should wear. I love every outfit I tried on so much. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, please, what outfit you think I should wear. If you like this video, subscribe, leave me a like, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Muchos besitos.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come